Hi friend, welcome to my channel. Let's draw together Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony. Are you ready? Let's start! Start by drawing the character's horn. Trace the outline of the mane and draw the ear. Now draw the first eye by using 3 ellipses and 3 lines for the eyebrows. Do the same for the second eye. Draw the nose and the face outline. Now, draw 3 lines in the manes like I do. Wow! Our design is already taking shape. Draw the main tuft on the neck and 3 lines inside it. Start drawing the neck, body, and paws. Now draw the tail. Wow! Twilight Sparkle turned out great! Well done! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the eyes pupils. Dark purple for the iris and a bell on the mane. Take the pink and color the second band of the mane. Now, use blue for the mane fur and tail. Now take the light purple and color the ear, face, horn, and the rest of the body. You've been really skillful! Our Twilight Sparkle is ready for new adventures! Goodbye my friends, see you soon!